Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the soil maps from the USDA Web Soil Survey and throw them into your QGIS maps. That can be useful for getting to know your farms, uh, even though of course they're not super accurate because they're really not at the kind of block level scale, but they're still pretty good. Um, so here you can see I've created a map for, this is part of a very famous Napa vineyard. This is not the whole vineyard. This is like the northern, probably a little less than half of the property. Um, so first, what I'm going to do is create an area of interest, which will be the boundary of my farm. So I went ahead and did that in this case. So that's what this layer is here. It's just a polygon. It's a shapefile. Okay. And so I have that shapefile. I can show it to you. It's right there. These are the files associated with it. We need all of those for the web soil survey. Okay, so then go to the web soil survey, which is right there. You just Google it. Go to Start Web Soil Survey, and then in this case, you can already see I've loaded it up, but I'll show you how to do it. So when you pull up Web Soil Survey, it's going to look like this. And what you need to do is go to Area of Interest, click on that, and then go Import AOI, and then go Create an AOI from a shapefile. Okay, click that. And now you need to upload all these that are associated with your AOI shapefile. So your .shp file, which is right there. Your SHX, the PRJ, and if you want to, the DVF. You'll have it because when you created the shapefile in QGIS, it gave you all of these file extensions. Okay, then hit Set AOI. Cool. So now you can see it's there in the web soil survey. And now we can go to the soil map, have a look there. So we don't have that many different soil types here. Looks like it's basically all bale clay loam except for this mapping unit here, which is 123, the Coombs gravelly loam, which is here on this slope. Okay, now if we want to download this and throw this into QGIS, we just go to Download Soils Data. And then we're going to use this one here. You have a few options. You're going to use your AOI and then Surgo. Okay, and then just click Create Download Link. Okay, and then now there's this little compressed file that is the soil map. Simple. So now just go ahead and download that. Just click on it, and you'll see it's just going to start downloading at the bottom. And then open it up. So you can see, of course, I've already downloaded it. But if I go there and I extract these files, and I will extract them to this location here. All right. So that was successful. And then now go into QGIS. And then we're going to add layer, add vector layer. And then so now we're in the file. Then we're going to go into spatial. And we're going to open, then we're going to soil MUA AOI shapefile. Okay. And there you can see that looks exactly like the soil map we just looked at. But now what we can do is add some styling to it. So go to Properties. And if you want to go ahead and categorize it, use colors to categorize the soil types. just do it as we've done in the past. Go to categorized, and then just classify, or actually you're going to do classify on MUSYM, means mapping unit symbol. Okay. And then also if you want to label the mapping units, single labels, and then in this case, again, use the mapping unit symbol. Click OK. All right, and then if we wanted to maybe like overlay this, right? So there you go. So now you can see a nice overlay with your soil maps, right? So if we go back to look at the soil map for this vineyard, right? Bang on. So that's as easy as it is to just go ahead and import those soil maps into your QGIS stuff.